What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Mail app is not loading emails on your iPhone. First, open the Mail app and try to refresh your inbox by swiping down from the top. This forces the app to check for new emails. If your inbox is still empty or not updating, let's go through some quick fixes to resolve the issue. Start by checking your internet connection. Open a web browser and search for a speed test, and then run a quick test to see if your internet is stable. If your connection is weak or slow, swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Toggle airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it off. Alternatively, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Next, open up your Settings app. Scroll down to the Apps section and search for the Mail app in the list of apps installed on your iPhone. On the Mail settings page, select Mail accounts to find your email account that is not receiving emails and tap on it. To refresh the connection, toggle Mail off, wait a few moments and then toggle it back on. If that doesn't work, you can remove the account by tapping Delete Account and then select Delete on my iPhone. Once removed, go back to Add Account, sign in again and let your emails sync. If emails still aren't loading, restart your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open a control center. Here, press and hold the power button at the top right and then drag the slider to the right to turn off your device. After a few seconds, turn your phone back on and check if the Mail app is working. Restarting can fix minor software glitches that might be causing the issue. Finally, if emails still aren't showing, try logging into your email provider's website using a web browser. For example, if you use Gmail, go to gmail.com, or if you use Outlook, go to outlook.com. If emails appear on the web but not the Mail app, the issue is with the app settings on your iPhone. To fix this, go back to your Settings app, scroll down and select General. From here, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but will restore system settings, including Mail app settings back to default, which can help resolve any underlying issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.